Okay, so in this activity, we'll be demonstrating how to create an assignment in Google Classroom that will allow your students to submit audio recordings of their voice in response to your um, prompts for audio feedback from the students. This could be a test, or it could be an assignment, it could be practice, whatever you want it to be. So we'll go to this class. It's just a test class for me, and I have students in here who are test students, sort of fictitious students, okay? So we're going to go to this classwork and create an assignment. We'll just call this Audio 1. The instructions, I already typed them out, so we don't have to waste time typing. You will listen to the voice prompts from the attached file, then go to Vocaroo.com to record your responses. When you finish recording, you will attach a link to what you recorded that you will be able to get from Vocaroo.com. So you can expand on those if you want. So we need to add a file that's going to be the source of the voice prompts. And so this will be a file that I'm going to upload from my computer. It could be in your drive, but it could be something you've created on your computer or you have somewhere and you attach. So either all the methods are okay. So we're going to go to upload this file. This is from the AP program, and it's Spanish AP. So we'll play the file short just to show you what it's like. So this is actually, it looks like it's the file, but it's a link to the file. So you link, click it.
Actividad número 10. Primero tienes 4 minutos.
Okay, so then that plays for the students. And we'll demonstrate this for the student view. Now, we have to assign. So you can assign this in however way you want. Give it points, give it no points, give it a due date, etc. I'm just going to leave it like that. So it is assigned. Now I'm going to switch to a student view of this assignment. So the student is 1W, fictitious student in the class. They go to my class and they go to the Audio 1 assignment. They can play the file, but they can read the attached instructions. Okay. And they will see Vocaroo.com, which I could make this a link, but it's also okay just to go to this and just type in Vocaroo.com. There is no, what makes this really nice is that there's no login at Vocaroo. So they don't have to worry about integration with Classroom or PowerSchool Learning or anything like that. So the way the student will use this is by switching back and forth between these two tabs in the browser. Okay, so they'll play the file.
Actividad número 10. Primero tienes 4 minutos para leer la fuente número 1.
And they will go to Vocaroo. They'll press record. And you may get prompted for this, so you say allow. So the recording is going on now. It's 4 minutes, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and so on. So you're listening to the prompt. So you can pause your recording. You go back to here. You continue playing. It starts where you left off.
Cuando mencionamos la prehistoria, no es porque querramos volver el tiempo.
Okay, so they listen some more and they continue recording. It continues where they left off. 14, 15, 16, and so on. Pause again. Go back. Play some more.
Atrás ni renegar de la modernidad, sino porque estamos hablando de un habitante que parece traído de otra época.
Nice thing about this is that they can also go back and listen again. Okay. Pause, go to Vocaroo, and continue recording. So I'm going to continue recording for just a couple of more seconds, and then we're finished. Now we can share and save. You can delete the recording and start over again. If you're finished, if the student is finished and has the recording, all they need to do is copy the link copy to the clipboard. Okay, go back to audio 1, go back to the classroom page and add or create. And what they're going to do is put in a link, which they have copied. So I'm pressing right click, paste, add the link. It's copied. The link is submitted. So now the student has to turn it in. If they're satisfied with the result, they turn it in. And you say, okay. So the student is finished. You go back here and you click on the assignment and you see that one person has turned it in. This is 1W. You go to 1W and you listen. Play. Allow. So the recording is going on now. It's 4 minutes, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and so on. So you're listening to the prompts. They continue recording. It continues where they left off. 14, 15, 16, and so on. So I'm going to continue recording for just a couple of more seconds, and then we're stuck with. Okay, so that you've been able to listen to the student's recording. You go back to the class. Okay. And here, you can go to 1W and you can return. But what you want to do here, let's see. And here's your private comment. So here you read in what they did. You need to practice pronunciation. And so I didn't spell that right. And turn. Okay, so now the student, you've returned it to that student. So the student now goes back to the assignment and looks at, let's start from scratch to this. We'll go here. Make sure 1W is correct. So I'm going to audio 1, turn in, add or create. And here's the assignment. One private comment. You did a good job recording, but you need to practice pronunciation. Okay. So that's the entire process from beginning to end, and hopefully that will give some help.